my dear student, today I start exercise 4.3, which is based on quadratic formula for solving quadratic equation. We know that this is our quadratic formula: x equal minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole upon 2a. Okay, this is our quadratic formula for solving quadratic equation. Okay, now we start exercise 4.3. In question number first is based on complete square method, and complete square method is deleted for this session. So now I start question number second. Find the root of the quadratic equation given in question first above by applying the quadratic formula method. Okay, quadratic formula method, it means we use this formula to solve to find the value of x. Okay, now our first question is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal 0. Okay, so first what we do, we compare with general equation of quadratic is ax square plus bx plus c equal 0. So we compare this equation into this, we get value of a, b and c. So here a equal to, b equal minus 7 and c equal 3. Now this is our quadratic formula. Okay, x equal minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now we put value of a, b, c in here in this formula. We get minus minus plus 7 plus minus under root minus 7 square 49 and 2 4 2 are 8 3 are 24 upon 2 2 are 4. So 7 plus minus under root 25 upon 4. So 25 is what? A square root of 5. So we write in place of root 25, write 5. So now we taking one time plus symbol and one time negative symbol. So x is what? 7 plus 5. Okay, now I take positive symbol. So 7 plus 5 upon 4, we get x equal 12 upon 4. So x equal 3. And if we take negative sign, it becomes x equal 7 minus 5 upon 4. It means x equal half. That is x equal 3 and half is roots of above quadratic equation. Okay, now question number second is 2x square plus x minus 4 equal 0. So first what we do, compare with general equation, we get value of a, b and c. Now put in this formula, we get minus value of b is 1 plus minus under root minus 1 square minus 4 into value of a is 2 and value of c is minus 4. So it becomes root 33. If in a root, this is called b square minus 4ac is discriminant d. So if value is less than 0, then roots is not find. Okay, not root is not exist, and equal 0 and greater than 0 roots are exist. Okay, so here root value is root 33, so roots is exist. So now we take positive and negative symbol. So minus 1 plus root 33 upon 4, and for negative symbol x equal minus 1 minus root 33 upon 4. So these two value are roots of above equation. Similarly, solve question third, fourth. Okay, same type. Fourth, in question fourth, here I explain. Compare with general equation, we get value of ABC. Now we find if discriminant D is B square minus 4AC. So here value of B square minus 4AC is what? Negative of minus 31. Okay, minus 31. So here D is less than 0. It means roots does not exist. Now question number third is find the root of the following equation. Okay, roots find करना है. So first we arrange in this equation into quadratic equation. So what we do, we take LCM. So LCM is what? X. So it's become x square minus 1 equal 3. So simply x square minus 1 and x is multiplied with 3. It's become 3x. Now arrange in quadratic equation x square minus 3x minus 1 equal 0. And do same process we use in previous question. So we get value of x and x and 2 value, because our equation is 2 power, highest power of x is what? 2. So solution also 2 value. Now question number second is very important. This 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 equal 11 upon 30. Okay, so and here also given x is not equals to 4 and 7. So first we reduce this equation into quadratic equation. So we take LCM. So LCM is what? X plus 4 and x minus 7. So x plus 4 to x plus 4 cancel. It means x minus 7 and symbol is negative. And x minus 7 to x minus 7 cancel. So x plus 4 equal 11 upon 30. Now we multiply x into x square, x into minus 7x minus 7x, 4 into x 4x, and 4 into minus 7, so minus 20x. So this equation is reduced and convert into quadratic equation. What? X square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 equals 0. So simply x square minus 3x minus 20x plus 30 we get plus 2. So now we use factorization method. Okay, so now we use factorization method. X square minus x minus 2x become minus 3x, and 1 into 2 is become 2. So x take as x as a common, so x minus 1, and minus 2 as a common, so x minus 1. So x minus 1 is our common factor and x minus 2. So here x minus 1 equal 0, it means x equal 1, and x minus 2 equal 0, it means x equal 2. Okay. Now question number 4 is based on word problem. Okay, so what question? The sum of the reciprocal of Rahman age in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 upon 3. Find his present age. Okay, आपको रहमान की present age find करना है. So we let Rahman's present age is x year. Okay, so 3 years ago his age what? X minus 3, and 5 years from now his age will x plus 5. Okay, so according to question what said? Reciprocal of 3 years ago and 5 years now. Okay, sum of reciprocal of their Rahman age is 1 upon 3. Okay, so now we simplify this equation. We take LCM. So LCM is what? X minus 3 and x plus 5. So in numerator x plus 5 plus x minus 3 equal 1 upon 3. So simply x plus 5 plus 3 minus 3 and upon we multiply this bracket into this, we get x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 equal 1 upon 3. Okay, so now this equation x and x become 2x, and 5 minus 2 we get plus 5 minus 3 we get plus 2, and here x square 5x minus 3x we get 2x, and minus 15 equal 1 upon 3. Now we cross multiply, so 3 multiply here and 1 multiply here. So this simply equation become x square plus 2x minus 15 minus 6x minus 6 equal 0. So simply x square 2x minus 6x we get minus 4x, and minus 15 minus 6 we get minus 21. Okay, so now we use factorization method. Is very easy. So we solve, because in a question not given ki solve this equation by quadratic formula. Okay, so now we use factorization method, complete squaring method, or quadratic method, but complete square method is deleted for this session. So we only solve this equation by factorization method or quadratic formula method. Okay, so here I apply factorization method. So we get value of x equals 7 and x equal minus 3. So age can't be negative, so minus 3 is not possible. So Rahman present age is what? 7 years. Okay, now question number 5 is, in a class test the sum of the Shefali marks in mathematics and English is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in the 2 subjects. So I let marks of mathematics equal x, and total marks is what? 30. She got how many marks? 30. Then marks of English what? 30 minus मार्क्स ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स. अगर आप 30 में से मैथ्स के मार्क्स को माइनस कर देंगे तो उसके रिमेनिंग मार्क्स किसके होंगे? इंग्लिश के. ओके, देन अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट से 2 marks more in maths. Okay, 2 marks more in maths, it means x plus 2 into product 3 marks less in English, it means English marks is what? 30 minus x and 3 also less. So 13 minus x minus 3 equal what? product is what? 210 equal 210. So simply x plus 2 and 30 minus 3 we get 27 minus x equal 210. Now we multiply these two bracket, we get 27x minus x square plus 54 minus 2x, and this 210 shift in LHS is negative equal 0. So simply x square plus 2x negative and 27 positive we get 25x positive, 210 negative and 54 positive we get minus 156 negative. Now divide by negative symbol, simple equation become x square minus 25x plus 156 equal 0. Now we solve this by factorization method. Now we split this 25 into 13 and 12, because minus 13x minus 12x we get minus 25x, and 13 into 20 also 156. Okay, so now I take x as a common, so x minus 13, and minus 12 as a common, so x minus 13. X minus 13 is our common factor, so x minus 12. So here x equal 13 and x equal 12. So here two cases possible. Okay, first is what? If marks in mathematics is 13, then marks in English is what? 30 minus 30. It means 13 minus 30 minus 13 we get 17. And if marks in mathematics is what? 12, so marks in English is what? 18. Okay. Now question number 6 is, the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shortest side. Okay, if the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, find the side of the field. Okay, so I let shorter side equal x. Okay, ये आपकी shorter होती है और ये आपकी longer side है, so I let shorter side equal x meter. Then diagonal is what? Diagonal is 60 meter more than shorter side, it means x plus 60, and longer side is what? 30 meter more than, so I write x plus 30 meter. Then in triangle ABC I use Pythagoras theorem. Okay, A, B and C I use Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem is what? Hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So I use in triangle ABC. So here AB is what? X plus 30 square plus BC is what? X square, and AC is what? X plus 60 square. So simply here x plus 30 whole square is A plus B whole square. So A square plus B square plus 2AB. And here x whole square is x square. Here also x plus y whole square. So x square plus y square plus 2AB. Now simply I simplify it. So x square 30 square is 900. 2 into 30 we get 60x, and here x square 2x square cancel. Here 600 square 3600, sorry 60 square is what? 3600 plus 6 into 60 into 2 we get 120x. So all values shift in LHS. This equation reduces x square minus 60x minus 2700. Okay. So now I use factorization method to solve this quadratic equation. Now I split this 60 into 30 plus 30x minus 90x, because minus 90x plus 30x we get minus 60x, and again 9 3s are 27, it becomes 2700. So x take as a common, so x plus 30, and minus 90 as a common, so again x plus 30. X plus 30 is our common factor, so x minus 90. So here x plus 30 equals 0, it means x equal minus 30, and x minus 90 equals 0, it means x equal 90. So here x is what? Distance. Okay, it means side cannot be negative. So shortest side of a rectangular field is what? We take 90, only positive symbol. So longer side of field is what? 30 plus x, it means 30 plus 90, so it means 120 meter. Okay. Now question number 7 is, the difference of square of two numbers is 180. आपको given है difference of square of two number is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the longer number. Find the two number. So I let the larger number is what? X. So square of smaller number according to question is what? 8 times of x. So I write 8x. Then according to question, what? Square of smaller number, square of larger number minus 8x equal 180. Total sum is what? बोला है ना, द डिफरेंस ऑफ स्क्वायर ऑफ टू नंबर इज 180. द स्क्वायर ऑफ स्मॉलर नंबर इज 8 टाइम the larger number, find two numbers. So this simply this equation become x square minus 8x minus 180 equals 0. We use factorization method. You can also apply quadratic formula to solve this equation, but factorization method is very easy, so we use factorization method. So simply x square plus 10x minus 18x, because plus 10x minus 18x we get minus 8x, and 10 into 18 also we get minus 180. Okay, so now take x as a common, so x plus 10, and minus 18 as a common, so x plus 10. Here x plus 10 equals 0 and x minus 18 equals 0. So x equal minus 10 and x equal 18. So larger number, negative can't be possible. So larger number is what? 18. So smaller number is what? Square root. Okay. So root 8x. It means 8 into value of x is 18. So it become 18 8 ja 144. So it is the square root of 12. So smaller number is 12 and larger number is 18. Okay. Now question number 8 is, the train travel 360 किलोमीटर एट ए यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड. ओके, वन ट्रेन है आपकी एक यूनिफॉर्म मतलब सेम स्पीड से आपकी ट्रेवल कर रही है 360 किलोमीटर एट ए यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड. इफ द स्पीड हैड बीन 5 किलोमीटर पर आवर्स मोर. ओके, अगर आपकी स्पीड क्या हो जाती है 5 किलोमीटर मोर हो जाती है, इट वुड टेकन 1 आवर्स लेस. तो जो ट्रेन टाइम कवर करती है वो कितना 1 आवर्स लेस हो जाता है फॉर द सेम जर्नी. ओके, फाइंड द स्पीड ऑफ ट्रेन. So I let what we find speed of train. So I let speed of train is x kilometer per hours. Okay, and total distance it's given 360. So first time taken by train when speed is uniform, it means x kilometer per hour. So we know that time is what? Distance upon speed. So distance is what? 360 and speed is what? X. So 360 upon x hours time cover करेगी if time train travel uniform speed. And if time taken by train when speed is what? Speed क्या हो जाती है 5 किलोमीटर more, it means x plus 5. Then again we use distance upon speed formula. So distance is what? 360, but speed here x plus 5. Then according to question is what? टोटल जो स्पीड है आपकी वो करेंगे तो आपका क्या होगा, जो स्पीड 5 मोर करेंगे तो आपका टोटल टाइम कितना होता है 1. कंप्लीट जनरी को अपन कैसे 100 अपॉन 100 वी गेट 1. इट मीन टोटल जनरी इज अवर 1. सो नाउ आई सोल्व दिस इक्वेशन. फर्स्ट वी कन्वर्ट इनटू क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. वी सोल्व, वी टेक एलसीएम ऑफ x and x plus 5. So here 360 multiply x plus 5 and minus 360 multiply x equal 1. So here we solve this equation. We get 360x plus 1800 minus 360s equal this is shift in RHS. So x multiply with x plus 5. So this value is cancel out. So 1800 equal x square plus 5x. So x square plus 5x, we shift this value into RHS. So it is negative. Now we multiply, we split this 5x into 45x minus 40x. It's become 5x. Here we multiply 45 into 40, we get 18,800. Okay. So we also take x as a common, so x plus 45 and minus 40 as a common, so x plus 45. X plus 45 is our common factor, so x minus 40. So here x minus 40 equal 0, we get x equal 40, and x plus 45 equal 0, we get x equal minus 45. But we take x is what? Speed of train. So speed of train can't be negative. Okay, so speed of train is what? 40 kilometer per hour. Here now question number 9 is the water tap. This is very important question for board exam. In most of paper this question is I see. So question is what? Question 9 is 2 water tap together can fill a water tank in 9 with 3 upon 8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Okay, find a time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. आपको गिवन है कि 2 आपके टैप है जो उस दोनों अगर टुगेदर इतनी एक साथ अगर किसी टैंक को फिल करते हैं तो 9/3/8 आवर्स टाइम लेते हैं, और अगर अकेला आपका लार्जर टेप इसको फाइंड करता है तो 10 आवर्स लेस टाइम लेता है, ओके, सेपरेटली. सो फाइंड द ईच टेप कैन सेपरेट फिल द टैंक, टाइम फाइंड करना है. सो आई लेट time taken by smaller tape is x hours, then time taken by larger tape is what, x minus 10, because it take 10 hours less time, okay, so it become x minus 10. Then portion of tank filled by smaller tape in 1 hours is what, 1 hours is what, 1 upon x. टोटल अगर आपका 1 आवर्स में फिल होता है तो उसका टाइम कितना हो जाएगा, 1 अपॉन एक्स. So portion of tank filled by smaller tank in what, 9/3 upon x, it becomes 75 upon x hours. It becomes 75. मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, अगर 1 आवर्स का टाइम 1 अपॉन x है तो इतने टाइम्स का क्या करेंगे, इससे मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे. सिमिलरली फॉर लार्जर टेप, पोर्शन ऑफ tank filled by larger tape in 1 hour is what, 1 upon x minus 10, okay. So portion of tank filled by larger tape in 75 upon 8 hours is what, also multiply 75 upon 8 into 1 upon x minus 10. 1 mean complete tank, okay. I take 1, it means complete value, because if I take 100 upon 100 we get 1. It means if a complete tank, complete distance we take, complete journey we take equals to 1, okay. So now अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, अगर इन दोनों का सम फाइंड करते हैं लार्जर और स्मॉलर का टुगेदर, तो ये क्या करती है, उस कंप्लीट टैंक को फिल कर देती है. सो हियर 75 अपॉन 8 इज व्हाट, कॉमन, सो इट सिंपली बिकम 1 अपॉन x प्लस 1 अपॉन x माइनस 10. सो नाउ आई सिंप्लीफाई दिस इक्वेशन, we take LCM of x and x minus 10, so it simply become 75 upon x bracket 2x minus 10 and x square minus 10 equal 0. So here 8 is shift in numerator and 75 is shift in denominator. So here we cross multiply, so 75 multiply 2x minus 10 and 8 multiply with x square minus 10x. 75 multiply 2x we get 150x, 75 multiply 10 we get 750, and here x multiply x square we get 8x square, and 8 multiply 10x we get 80x, and we also shift this value in LHS, so its symbol is changed. So simply minus 8x square and 80 and 150x is 230x, and minus 170 equal 0. Now divide this equation by minus symbol, simply we get 8x square minus 230x plus 750 equal 0. Now this complete equation is divided by 2, so I reduce the equation, 4x square minus 115x plus 375 equal 0. Now 4x square is what? Now I split 115x into 100x minus 15x, because minus 100x minus 15x we get minus 115x, and also this become 1500. Now we multiply 375 into 4, we also get 1500, okay. So now I take 4x as a common, so here x and minus 25 4 ja 100, so 25. Here I take 15 as a common, so x minus 25 into 15 we also get 375, okay. So x minus 25 is our common factor, so 4x minus 15 equal 0. So x minus 25 equal 0, x equal 25, and 4x minus 15 equal 0, so x equal 15 upon 4. So now I take time taken by a smaller tape fill the tank is 25 hours, and time taken by larger tape to fill tank is what, x minus 10, it means 25 minus 10, it means 15 hours. So smaller tape to fill the tank in 25 hours and larger tape to fill the tank in 15 hours, okay. So this question is very important, see carefully and solve it. Now question number 20 is also important for CBSE board exams. So question 10 is, an express train 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 km between Mysore and Bangalore without taking any consideration the time they stay at the intermediate station. If the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more than more than of the passenger train, find the average speed of true train. क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट से जो आपकी एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन है वो 1 आवर्स लेस टाइम लेती है पैसेंजर ट्रेन से टू ट्रेवल 132 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस बाय मैसूर एंड बेंगलोर एंड कांट कंसिडर द टाइम इफ ट्रेन इज stay at a intermediate station. If the average speed of express train is 11 kilometer more than of the passenger train, then find the speed of average speed of two train. So I let speed of passenger train equal x kilometer per hour. Then speed of express train is according to question is what? Speed of express train is 11 kilometer more than the passenger train. It means x plus 11 kilometer. Okay. Now time taken by passenger train is what? Distance upon speed. So distance is what? 132 kilometer and speed of passenger train is x hour. So 132 upon x hours. And time taken by express train is distance is same 132 but speed here what? X plus 11. Then according to question 132x minus 132 लेस टाइम लेता है ना. सो एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन है वो पैसेंजर ट्रेन से इतना लेस टाइम लेता है. सो क्या करेंगे? माइनस. सो 132 अपॉन एक्स माइनस 132 अपॉन एक्स प्लस 11 एंड टोटल इज व्हाट? आई टेक 1. ओके. सो नाउ वी टेक एलसीएम. सो एलसीएम इज व्हाट? एक्स एंड एक्स प्लस 11. सो 132 मल्टीप्लाई विथ ब्रैकेट एक्स प्लस 11 and minus 132 multiply with x. So now I solve this equation. 132x plus 1452 minus 132x and this shift into multiply with 1. So simply 132 positive negative cancel. So 1452 equal x square plus 11x. So x square plus 11x, this shift into RHS, it's become negative. So now I say split this 11x into 44x minus 33x. We get 11x positive, and also if we multiply 44 into 33, we also get 1452. So x plus 44 and x minus 33 is our factor. So x plus 44 equals 0. It means x equal minus 44 and x minus 33 equal 0. So x equal 33. Now I take x is the speed of train. So speed of train can't be negative. So x equal minus 44 is omitted. So speed of passenger train is what? X. It means 33 kilometer per hour. And speed of speed train is what? X plus 11. It means 33 plus 11 we get 44 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now question number 11th is sum of the area of two square is 468 meter square. Okay. If the difference of their parameter is 24 meter, find the side of two square. Okay. So this is our area आपको given है. We know that square is, it means four sides are equal. Okay. So the side of bigger square, two square है ना, bigger and smaller. So the bigger square side is x meter and side of smaller square is y meter. गिवन सम ऑफ देयर एरियाज है ना, इन दोनों स्क्वायर्स के एरिया का सम आपको गिवन है कितना? 468 मीटर स्क्वायर. वी नो दैट एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर इज व्हाट? साइड इनटू साइड. सो फर्स्ट x into x plus y into y, because sum of two square, it means this is our larger bigger square and this is our smaller square. इन दोनों का सम आपको गिवन है कितना? 468. So simply x into x become x square and y into y become y square. So x square plus y square equal 468. This is our equation first. Also given difference of their parameter, okay, is 24. Parameter is what? 4 into side. So 4x minus 4y equal 24. So I take 4 as a common. So x minus y equal 24 upon 4. So x minus y equal x minus y equals 6. So x equals 6 plus y. Now I put this value of x in equation first. So simply I get x plus y 6 plus y whole square plus y square equal 468. So here also apply a plus b whole square formula. So a square it means 36, b square it means y square and 2ab. So 2 into 6 into y we get 12x, and this is our y square equal 468. So here y square and y square become 2y square plus 12y plus 36 and this 468 shift in LHS, it become negative. So simply our equation become 2x square minus 12y minus 432 equal 0. Now divide by 2, we get y square plus 6x minus 216. So y square, now I split this 6y into 18y minus 12y, because 18y minus 12y we get positive 6y, and 18 into 12 we get 216. So now I take y as a common, so y plus 18, and minus 12 as a common, so y plus 18. So y plus 18 and y minus 12 is our factor, so y equal minus 18 and y equal 12. So because y is our side, so side cannot be negative, so we take y equal 12. So if y equal 12, we put in equation second, we get value of x is what? 18. Okay, so value of x is what? 18. It means side of bigger square is what? X will let bigger side of bigger square, it means 18 meter, and side of smaller square is what? We take y, so y is what? 12 meter. So this is our answer. So this video is complete video of exercise 4.3, which is based on quadratic formula and some word problem to solve it. Okay, so watch this video very carefully. Thank you.